Afternoon, welcome. This is Jamb, year 2010 government past question. Question number 35. The question number 35 says a major contentious issue confronting Nigerian federalism is dash. A major contentious issue confronting Nigerian federalism is dash. When we talk of contentious issue, means problem confronting Nigeria federalism is dash. Now option A say health care delivery, option B say education, C say revenue allocation, D say poverty. The major issue confronting Nigerian federalism right from day one that have led to the creation of state up to 36 states today in Nigeria, and eventually leads to what we call 774 local governments in Nigeria today, is revenue allocation. And up to date there is still issue of revenue allocation among the components of government, so option C is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.